Hello students, you have already studied about general methods of preparation of alcohols. Your today's topic is industrial methods of preparation of alcohols. Alcohols are manufactured by mainly three processes. These are OXO process, second one is by the fermentation of carbohydrates, third by hydration of alkenes. OXO process is very convenient method used for the preparation of, or you can say used for the manufacture of alcohols. In this process, an alkene is treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. An alkene, this is alkene treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas in the presence of catalyst, that is cobalt carbonyl catalyst. Cobalt carbonyl is a catalyst which is used for the preparation of alcohols from alkenes. Alkene first treated with carbon monoxide and hydrogen in presence of cobalt carbonyl catalyst at high temperature and pressure. At high temperature and high pressure. As a result, we get corresponding aldehyde. This is aldehyde. And in the second step, this is first step. Second step, aldehyde on catalytic hydrogenation, or you can say by catalytic reduction, gives corresponding alcohol. This is aldehyde which on reduction with hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium catalyst gives corresponding alcohol. This is OXO process. Next process is the fermentation of carbohydrate. Alcohols are manufactured by the fermentation of carbohydrate. This method is the oldest method used for the preparation of alcohols, and nowadays this method is also widely used for the preparation of alcohols. In this method, alcohols are obtained by sugars and starch. Since sugars and starch are the main component of carbohydrates, these are the main category of carbohydrates, sugars and starch. The main source of sugar is main source of carbohydrate is molasses, grapes and sugar beets. In molasses, 60% sugar is present. In molasses, this is the method of preparation of, or you can say method of manufacture of alcohol from carbohydrates, means from sugars. This is the method used for the manufacture of alcohol from sugar, and this one is the method of manufacture of alcohol from starchy substance or starch. In molasses, 60% sugar is present, which is diluted by adding water. By adding water, molasses is diluted up to 10% sugar. Means after adding water, molasses is diluted when the content of sugar becomes 10%. After that, some ammonium sulfates, ammonium salts, you can say ammonium salts like ammonium sulfate, ammonium phosphate, used for which act as a food material for bacteria. Ammonium salts are the food material of bacteria, because during fermentation bacteria is very important agent which bring about the process of fermentation. So ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate is added to dilute molasses which act as a food material for bacteria. Then small amount of dilute sulfuric acid is added. This acid kill the unwanted bacteria, and after that yeast is added, in which two types of enzymes are present. One is invertase, another is zymase. Invertase, zymase enzymes present in yeast. After that, temperature maintained about 30 degrees Celsius for a few days, approximately 3 to 4 days or maximum 1 week, or few days. Means after dilution of molasses, ammonium sulfate, dilute sulfuric acid, yeast is added to it, and temperature maintained at 30 degrees Celsius for a few days. After that, 8 to 10% ethyl alcohol is obtained. This solution is called WAS. WAS contains only 8 to 10% ethyl alcohol. This was, after fractional distillation, converted into rectified spirit. This is rectified spirit. It is obtained by the fractional distillation of WAS. In rectified spirit, 95% alcohol is present. 95% ethyl alcohol forms an azeotropic mixture, means it boils at constant temperature. As a result, this rectified spirit cannot be converted into 100% alcohol by simple distillation or by fractional distillation. That's why to obtain 100% alcohol, means absolute alcohol, azeotropic distillation is carried out. Which type of distillation? Azeotropic distillation. And how this distillation is carried out? First of all, rectified spirit treated with benzene, then followed by distillation. Means distillation, it is a special type of distillation to obtain rectified spirit, absolute alcohol, means 100% alcohol from rectified spirit. This is called azeotropic distillation. In this method, chemical reaction taking place are as follows. First of all, sugar, this is sugar, you can say sucrose, sugar C12H22O11, sugar converted into glucose and fructose, means sucrose, this is sucrose, in presence of invertase enzyme converted into glucose and fructose. One molecule is glucose because sucrose is a dimer of glucose and fructose. So one molecule of glucose, this is glucose, and this one is fructose. One molecule of glucose and fructose is obtained by the sucrose in presence of invertase enzyme. In the next step, glucose or fructose, both glucose or fructose change to ethyl alcohol with the liberation of carbon dioxide in presence of zymase enzyme. These two enzymes obtained from yeast and used for the fermentation process of sugars. Next method is manufacture of alcohol from starchy substances. The main source of starch is barley, maize, and rice. Barley is mostly used for the preparation of ethyl alcohol. In this process, two steps are very important. First one is preparation of mass, and second, preparation of malt. Malt means germinated barley. So first of all, barley is germinated in suitable conditions, which is called malt. In malt, which enzyme is present? Diastase. Diastase enzyme is present in malt. When starchy substances is heated at 140 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius under pressure, it is converted into mass. Means all the starch present in starchy substance comes out, and this substance is known as mass. This mass is added to malt. It means malt and mass both are added to each other. Diastase enzyme present in malt converted mass into maltose, and then maltose is treated with yeast. Means yeast is added to maltose. This maltose, due to presence of certain enzymes, and these enzymes are diastase and maltase, and again zymase. Diastase present in malt, maltase and zymase enzyme also present in yeast. After few days, this maltose is converted into was. Was again after fractional distillation gives rectified spirit, which is converted into absolute alcohol by azeotropic distillation. And the chemical reaction taking place in this process is, first of all, starch. This is starch. Starch upon hydrolysis gives maltose. Maltose is a polymer of glucose, which on further hydrolysis gives glucose, and glucose again by the same reaction, means C6H12O6 in presence of zymase converted into ethyl alcohol, C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol, and CO2. This is method of manufacture of alcohols, mainly ethyl alcohol, from carbohydrate by fermentation process. Third and the most important process used for the manufacture of alcohols is by hydration of alkenes. Alkenes can be hydrated. Hydration means addition of water. Hydration of alkene can be carried out either by direct method or by indirect method. Mainly reactive alkenes adds water molecule by direct method, means water is directly added to reactive alkene in presence of mineral acid like dilute sulfuric acid, and corresponding alcohols are obtained like this. Direct hydration of alkene. Direct hydration of alkene. Suppose this is an alkene. This is alkene plus H2O, HOH in presence of dilute H2SO4, which acts as a catalyst. Markovnikov addition takes place. Markovnikov addition takes place because this alkene is unsymmetrical alkene and water is a polar molecule. So Markovnikov addition takes place and alcohol is obtained as a final product. This alcohol is obtained by Markovnikov rule. Now, what is mechanism of this reaction? Mechanism of this reaction involves 3 steps. Step 1 is mechanism. Step 1 is protonation of alkene. Protonation of alkene means alkene is first protonated R CH double bond CH2 plus H positive. This H positive obtained from acid. Then 2 types of reactive intermediates are obtained, means carbocation is obtained. First one is RCH CH3 and second one is RCH2 CH2. Means when proton is added to end carbon, then this carbocation is obtained, and when it is added to this atom, then primary carbocation is obtained. This is 2 degree carbocation and this is 1 degree carbocation. Since 2 degree carbocation is more stable, and this one is less stable. That's why next step is the reaction of water, means attack of nucleophilic attack of water, attack of H2O as a nucleophile on the carbocation. R CH CH3 plus H2O gives R CH OH CH3, and next and last step is deprotonation, means removal of hydrogen as a proton. R CH CH3 by the loss of H plus forms alcohol. This is the mechanism of direct hydration of water to alkene. The most important thing, or you can say notable point for this type of preparation is, number 1, rate of hydration of alkene is directly proportional to the stability of first carbocation. First carbocation means carbocation obtained by the protonation of alkene. Means carbocation also go rearrangement process, rearrangement reaction. That's why before the rearrangement, which carbocation is more stable, this decides the rate of hydration of alkene. After rearrangement, no. Okay. So before rearrangement, the more stable carbocation will decide the rate of hydration of alkene. Okay. Second point, rearrangement is possible. Rearrangement is possible since reaction taking place by the formation of carbocation. So carbocation may undergo rearrangement. That's why rearrangement is also possible in this case. And stability of product depends on the stability of alkene. Means more stable alkene gives more stable product, or more stable carbocation gives more stable product. This is direct hydration of alkene. Direct hydration takes place in 3 steps. First step is the protonation of alkene, and proton is provided by acid. Second step, nucleophilic attack of water on alkene. This is addition of water, direct addition of water gives oxonium ion. Why? Because positive charge present on oxygen atom, so it is called oxonium ion. What is the name of this species? Oxonium ion. Any species in which positive charge present on oxygen called oxonium ion. Oxonium ion. This oxonium ion by deprotonation. This, what is this process? This is the deprotonation, means loss of proton, loss of hydrogen as a proton. This is called deprotonation. You can express it by this. Means this bond goes to oxygen and hydrogen removes as a proton. This is called deprotonation. Deprotonation. And the final product is alcohol. Next is indirect addition of water. In this method, means in the indirect addition of water, first of all, alkene is passed through sulfuric acid and alkyl hydrogen sulfate is obtained, which on boiling with water gives alcohol. For example, CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethene. Ethene is treated with H2SO4. Means ethene gas is passed in sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid may also be written as HSO4 minus plus, because ethene is symmetrical alkene, so without Markovnikov addition, means no role of Markovnikov rule in this reaction. Means any of the part attached to any of the carbon atom. So ethyl hydrogen sulfate is obtained. CH3, CH2, OS O3H, because H2SO4 may be written as HOSO3H as positive or negative. This is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate, which on boiling with water, boil with H2O, because it is an indirect addition of water. Alcohol is obtained, CH3 CH2 OH is obtained, ethyl alcohol is obtained, ethyl alcohol. Okay. The most important thing is that by this method, mainly secondary and tertiary alcohols are prepared, and among primary alcohols, only ethyl alcohol can be prepared by indirect hydration of alkene. By indirect hydration of alkene, among all the primary alcohols, only ethyl alcohol can be prepared by this process. No any other primary alcohol manufactured by indirect addition of water. Okay, but secondary and tertiary alcohol can be obtained very easily by this process. For example, if we take CH3 CH double bond CH2, this is propene, it is unsymmetrical alkene, passed in H2SO4 H O SO3H H2SO4. Which type of addition takes place? Markovnikov addition. Markovnikov addition takes place, and CH3 CH O SO3H CH3. Alkyl hydrogen sulfate is obtained, which on boiling with water, boil with water, gives secondary alcohol CH3 CHOH CH3 plus H2SO4. In this reaction, H2SO4 acts as a catalyst. Okay. If we take another example, which type of alcohol is this? Primary or secondary? It is secondary alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, secondary alcohol. This is isopropyl alcohol, which is a secondary alcohol. Next example, CH3 CH3 double bond CH2. What is this? Meth a probute isobutylene. Isobutylene. Common name is isobutylene. You can also give isolane plus HOSO3H means H2SO4. Markovnikov addition takes place. Markovnikov addition takes place to give CH3 O SO3H, which on boiling with water gives tertiary alcohol. Boil with H2O, because it is indirect addition of water, we get final product, which is tertiary butyl alcohol, 3-degree alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol, which is a 3-degree alcohol. That's why indirect hydration of alkene is mainly used for the preparation of secondary and tertiary alcohols. Only ethyl alcohol can be prepared by indirect addition of water as a primary alcohol. That's all about manufacture of alcohols. Indirect addition of water or indirect addition may also be carried out by hydroboration oxidation process and oxymercuration reduction process. These two processes will be discussed in next